6.3 continued and question number 16. Question number 16 is so that the tangents to the curve y is equal to 7x cube plus 11 at the points where x is equal to 2 and x is equal to minus 2 are parallel. हमें प्रूव करना है कि दो पॉइंट पर टेंजेंट पैरेलल है. पैरेलल टेंजेंट्स की स्लोप इक्वल होंगे तो हम दोनों का स्लोप फाइंड आउट करेंगे x इज इक्वल टू 2 पर और x इज इक्वल टू minus 2 पर. If both are equal then the tangent is parallel. If both are not equal then tangent is not parallel. So first dy by dx. What is dy by dx? 7 3 21 x square only plus 11 का क्या हुआ 0. So dy by dx at x is equal to 2. What is 21 2 square 21 into 4 implies 84. dy by dx at x is equal to minus 2 implies 21 or into minus 2 square implies 21 into 4 84. Let this is m1 or let this is m2. What we observe, dy by dx at x is equal to 2 and dy by dx at x is equal to minus 2 both are same. So slope at both these points are same. So tangents are parallel at both these points. So because m1 is equal to m2, so tangents are parallel. So tangents are parallel. Simple question. Again, question number 17. Find the point on the curve y is equal to x cube at which the slope of tangent is equal to the y coordinate of the point. Question number 17 देखिए. Question number 17. Given है curve y is equal to x cube and we have to find out slope of tangent. Slope of the tangent is equal to the y coordinate at the point. So first we will find out slope. Slope is what? Slope of tangent. Slope of tangent implies dy by dx and dy by dx is equal to 3x square. But given, लेकिन ये given है कि जो slope of tangent है, slope of tangent is equal to y coordinate. तो slope of tangent 3x square और y is equal to x cube. Y is equal to x cube. So x cube minus 3x square is equal to 0. X square common. What we get? X minus 3 is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to 3. If x square is equal to 0, implies x is equal to 0. And if x minus 3 is equal to 0, implies x is equal to 3. We have to find out points, two values of x. So we will find out corresponding values of y by putting the value of x in the given curve. So if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0 cube implies 0. And if x is equal to 3, y is equal to 3 cube implies 27. So points, what are the points? Either 0, 0 or 327. Simple question again. Question number 18. For the curve y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5, find all the points at which the tangent passes through the origin. देखिए question number 18. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18 देखिए. कर्व गिवन है कर्व गिवन है y इज इक्वल टू 4x क्यूब माइनस 2x to the power 5. Find the all points at which the tangent passes through the origin. Let this is the tangent of the curve. This is passes through origin. Arbitrary point because it is the tangent to the curve. So one point will be common. Curve is y is equal to fx. So point xy will be common to the curve and to the tangent. This is point 0, 0. So we have 2 points at the tangent. One is 0, 0 and other is xy. If we find the slope, then 2 points form according y minus y1 or upon x2 minus x1. So slope of tangent. Let this is A or this is O. So slope of tangent M is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 by the 2 point form. So what is slope? y2 implies y minus 0 upon x minus 0. xy yani y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 yani implies slope is equal to y upon x. This slope we have find out through the 2 point form. Now we will find out the slope by dy by dx and put both the slope equal. Now slope of tangent is equal to dy by dx. What is dy by dx? 12x square minus 10x to the power 4. 12x square minus 10x to the power 4. This is the slope of tangent. This is the slope of tangent. Let this is equation first and let this is equation second. Both are the slope of the same tangent. So putting both equal. So from first and second. 12x square minus 10x to the power 4 is equal to y upon x, or 12x cube minus 10x to the power 4 is equal to y. But what is y? Y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5. But y is equal to what is 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5? So 12x cube minus 10x to the power 5 is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5. What will happen? 8x cube minus 10 plus 2 minus 8x to the power 5 or is equal to 0. Now solve. What is the common? 8x cube common. So 8x cube common, what we get? 1 minus x square is equal to 0. So either x is equal to 0 or 1 minus x square is equal to 0. If 1 minus x square is equal to 0, implies x square is equal to 1 or x is equal to plus minus 1. So there are 3 values of x. Either x is equal to 0 or x is equal to plus minus 1. So by putting these values in the curve, we find out the corresponding values of y. Given y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x 5. Y is equal to 4x cube minus 2x to the power 5. So if x is equal to 0, implies y is equal to 40 cube minus 205 is equal to 0. If y is equal, x is equal to 1, then y is equal to 4 into 1 minus 2 into 1 implies 2. And if x is equal to minus 1, if x is equal to minus 1, then y is equal to 4 into minus 1 cube minus 2 into minus 1 to the power 5. So minus 4 and plus 2 implies minus 2. So what are the points? So the points are, what are the points? 0, 0 or 1, 2 or minus 1, minus 2. These are the points where the tangent is passing through the origin. These are the points where tangent is passing through the origin. Important question. Now, question number 19. Find the points on the curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 at which tangents are parallel to x-axis. If tangents are parallel to x-axis, then dy by dx is equal to 0. Question number 19. What we have given curve x square plus y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. So, differentiating with respect to x. What we get? Differentiating with respect to x, 2x plus 2y dy by dx minus 2 is equal to 0. x square का differentiation 2x, y square 2y dy by dx, 2x minus 2 और 3 का 0. So 2y dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 2x और dy by dx is equal to 2 minus 2x upon 2y implies 1 minus x upon y by cancel out the common factor 2. Now given tangent are parallel to x-axis. If tangent is parallel to x-axis, if tangent is parallel to x-axis implies dy by dx is equal to 0. So 1 minus x upon y is equal to 0 implies 1 is equal to x. We have find 1 is equal to x, putting the value of x in first. Putting value of x in first. What is first? The main curve. So x is equal to 1 implies 1 square plus y square minus 2 into 1 minus 3 is equal to 0. 1 plus y square minus 5 is equal to 0. Y square is equal to 4 and y is equal to plus minus 2. So points are either 1 plus 2 and 1 minus 2. These are the points where tangent is parallel to x-axis. Same question number 20. Find the equation of the normal at the point am square am cube for the curve ay square is equal to x cube. Question number 20. Given curve ay square is equal to x cube and we have to find out the equation of the normal. So first we will find out slope of normal, differentiating with respect to x. What we get? A 2y dy by dx is equal to 3x square or dy by dx is equal to 3x square upon a. Given points are am square am cube. So dy by dx at x is equal to am square. Putting 3 am square upon a. Because x is equal to am square. Here is m square. Here is x square. So am square square. So 3 into a square into m to the power 4 upon a. Cancel implies 3a m to the power 4. Oh, we have left 2y. Sorry. We have left 2y. 3x square upon a into 2y. Into 2y. So putting the value of y also. So y. What is y given? Y is am cube. a into 2 or into am cube. So 3 into a square m to the power 4 a into 2 into a into m cube. A square cancelled, power 4 minus 3 1 implies 3 by 2m, implies 3 by 2m. Now this is the slope of tangent. We have to find out slope of normal. And what is slope of normal? Minus reciprocal. Minus reciprocal. So slope of normal is equal to minus 2 upon 3m. Is equal to minus 2 upon 3m. Equation of normal. Equation of normal. Y minus y1 is equal to mx minus x1. Y minus y1 passing point. Passing point implies am cube. M implies slope, यानी minus 2 upon 3m. X minus x1. X1 implies am square. Solving 3m यानी 3my minus am cube is equal to minus 2x plus 2am square. One side, so 2x plus 3my minus am cube minus 2am square is equal to 0 is the required equation of normal. Is the required equation of normal. Now question number 21. Find the equation of the normal which are parallel to the line this. So equation of normal again, first find dy by dx, then slope and put the slope equal. देख लीजिए question number 21. Question number 21. Find the equation of the normal to the curve y is equal to x cube plus 2x plus 6. Normal is parallel to the line. So first find slope dy by dx. dy by dx 3x square plus 2. This is the slope of tangent. We have to find out slope of normal. So what is slope of normal? Minus reciprocal 1 upon 3x square plus 2 is parallel to normal. किसके parallel है? Given x plus 14y plus 4 is equal to 0 implies 14y is equal to minus x minus 4 or y is equal to minus 1 upon 14x minus 4 upon 14. Comparing with y is equal to mx plus c. Then slope is equal to minus का 1 upon 14. This is also slope of normal. This is also slope of normal. So putting them equal from first and second. This is second leg and this is first. So minus 1 upon 3x square plus 2 is equal to minus 1 upon 14. Cancel. Implies 3x square plus 2 is equal to 14. 3x square is equal to 12. X square is equal to 4 or x is equal to plus minus 2. Find the equation of normal. We have find out x. Now we will find out y by putting the value of x in the given curve. So when x is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 cube plus 2 into 2 plus 6. 8 plus 4, 12 and 6, 18. And when x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to minus 2 cube 2 into minus 2 plus 6. यानी minus 8 minus 4 plus 6. Minus 12 plus 6 implies minus 6. So we have two coordinates at which we have to find out the equation of normal. What is equation of normal? when point x to y18. So when point is 218, equation y minus y1 m implies minus 1 upon 14 x minus x1. Cross multiply 14y minus 18 4 72 7 and 25 is equal to minus x plus 2, यानी x minus 14y minus 254 is equal to 0. First equation, when second point is minus 2 minus 6. So when point is minus 2 minus 6, equation of normal y minus y1 m is what? Minus 1 upon 14 x minus x1 implies 14y minus minus plus 14 6 84 minus x and minus 2 one side. So x plus 14y plus 86 is equal to 0. These are the two equations of the normal which are parallel to the line. This. Again, question number 22. Find the equation of the tangent and normal to the parabola. Simple question अपने आप करेंगे. पहले dy by dx फाइंड आउट करेंगे गिवन पॉइंट पर और उसके बाद इक्वेशन ऑफ पैराबोला. पॉइंट्स गिवन है, स्लोप आपको मिलेगा dy by dx से. Question number 23. Again an important question. Prove that the curves x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at right angles if 8k square is equal to 1. क्वेश्चन नंबर 23 इंपॉर्टेंट है एग्जाम के पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से. मोस्टली एग्जाम में आता है 4 मार्क्स में. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 23. गिवन कर्व x is equal to y square and xy is equal to k cut at right angles. So first we will find out the point of intersection because both the curve are intersecting. Also angle between the two curve is always equal to the angle between the tangents at common points. दोनों कर्व के बीच में एंगल वही होता है जो दोनों कर्व की टेंजेंट के बीच में है कॉमन पॉइंट्स पर. ठीक है, तो पहले हमने क्या किया, दोनों का कॉमन पॉइंट x इज इक्वल टू वाई स्क्वायर, लेट दिस इज फर्स्ट एंड लेट दिस इज सेकेंड. तो पुटिंग x is equal to y square in second, what we get? Y cube is equal to k and y is equal to k to the power 1 upon 3. Putting value of y in first, putting in first, so x is equal to y square implies k to the power 1 upon 3 square implies k to the power 2 upon 3. ठीक है, तो हमें मिले क्या, इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट. व्हाट आर इंटरसेक्टिंग पॉइंट? x इज इक्वल टू k टू द पावर 2 by 3 और y इज इक्वल टू k टू द पावर 1 by 3. एट दीज पॉइंट्स वी विल फाइंड द slope of this and slope of this. Both are cut at right angles, so both are perpendicular, so m1 m2 will be -1. We will use the relation. So now x is equal to y square, differentiating with respect to x. x का differentiation 1 and 2y dy by dx. So dy by dx is equal to 1 upon 2y, let's say m1, slope of tangent. First, second, this is third. Again, second curve is xy is equal to k. Second curve is xy is equal to k, differentiating again. So x, product rule, x, differentiation of y, dy by dx, plus y, differentiation of x, 1, and differentiation of k, 0. So dy by dx is equal to minus y upon x, let's say m2, because curves are perpendicular. Because curve intersects perpendicularly, so m1 m2 is equal to -1. What is m1? 1 upon 2y. What is m2? Minus y upon x, or is equal to -1. y से y cancel, minus से minus, so what we get? 1 upon 2x. 1 upon 2x is equal to 1. 2x is equal to 1. अब x, what is x? x is equal to k to the power 2 by 3. We have find out initially. X is equal to k to the power 2 by 3. Putting 2 into k to the power 2 by 3 is equal to 1. Because we have to find out the relation in k. So we will put the value of x in terms of k. Cubing both sides. Cubing both sides. So 2 cube 8. K to the power 2 by cube k square. And 1 cube 1. So implies 8k square is equal to 1 is the relation when the tangents intersect at right angles. Important question है, थोड़ा सा इसको तैयार करेंगे. Now question number 24. Find the equation of tangent and normal to the hyperbola at the point x0, y0. Although simple question, yet see here. Tangent at hyperbola. Question number 24. What is question number 24? Given hyperbola x square upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1. And point is given x0, y0. So first we will find out slope of tangent. Differentiating with respect to x. What we get? 2x upon a square minus 2y upon b square dy by dx, or is equal to 0. Differentiation of x square 2x, a square constant as it is, y square 2y dy by dx, b square constant as it is, and differentiation of 1 is 0. So minus 2y upon b square dy by dx is equal to minus 2x upon a square, or dy by dx is equal to minus 2x upon a square into b square upon minus 2y. Cancel minus, 2b cancel, is equal to b square upon a square, or x upon y. But we have given point x0, y0. So we will find out slope dy by dx at x0, y0. What is b square upon a square x naught upon y naught. This is slope of tangent. This is slope of tangent. So equation of tangent. Equation of tangent at point is given x0, y0, passing point. So y minus y1 is equal to m. M implies b square upon a square x0 upon y0, or x minus x0. Multiplying to y0, y0 minus y0 square is equal to b square upon a square x0 minus x0 स्क्वायर. देखिए हमने सिर्फ y0 को यहां मल्टीप्लाई किया, x0 को अंदर जो कांस्टेंट पार्ट है उसको यहीं रखा. नाउ b स्क्वायर इधर, तो y0 अपॉन b स्क्वायर माइनस y0 स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर इधर, x0 अपॉन a स्क्वायर माइनस x0 स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर. x0 y0 वन साइड, यानी x0 स्क्वायर अपॉन a स्क्वायर माइनस y0 स्क्वायर अपॉन b स्क्वायर, x0 अपॉन a स्क्वायर माइनस y0 अपॉन b square. This is the equation of the tangent. This is the equation of the tangent of hyperbola at the point x0 and y0. Also, yes, one thing more, x0 y0 lies on hyperbola and tangent both. So if we put x0 y0 here, then x0 upon a square plus y0 upon b square is equal to 1. So we will put x0 upon a square minus y square upon b square is equal to 1 is equal to x0 upon a square minus y0 upon b square. क्लियर दिस, देखिए इसको देखिए x0 अपॉन a स्क्वायर y0 अपॉन b स्क्वायर, ये हमारे पास हाइपरबोला, इस पॉइंट पर टेंजेंट निकालना है तो ये पॉइंट इस कर्व को सेटिस्फाई करेगा. अगर हम पुट करते हैं x की जगह x0 और y की जगह y0 तो x0 अपॉन a स्क्वायर माइनस y0 अपॉन b स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 1 एंड पुटिंग दिस वैल्यू हियर ब्रैकेट में लिख देंगे बिकॉज x0 y0 लाइज ऑन hyperbola. Lies on hyperbola. This is equation of tangent. Now we will find out equation of normal. For this we will find out slope of normal. Slope of normal, this is slope of tangent and slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon slope of tangent. So slope of normal. Slope of normal. What is slope of normal? Minus a square upon b square or y0 upon x0, reciprocal of the slope of tangent with negative sign because m1 m2 is equal to minus 1. And equation of normal? Equation of normal. Y minus y0 m. What is now m? A square upon b square y0 upon x0 or x minus x0. Y minus y1 m x minus x1. Again multiply तो x0y minus x0y0 is equal to minus a square upon b square xy0 minus y0 x0. So what we get? X node y upon a square minus x node y node upon a square is equal to minus अंदर तो minus x y node upon b square और plus x node y node upon b square. Minus minus plus. Okay. So taking one side x0y upon a square minus xy node plus upon b square is equal to x0 y0 upon a square plus x0 y0 upon b square. More calculation common इधर तो y upon y node, ठीक है यही छोड़ दीजिए, अदरवाइज x0 y0 कॉमन, इसको यहां ले आइए और कैंसिल, चलिए कर देते हैं x0y upon a square plus xy node upon b square, x node y node common 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square. Taking this side तो x0 cancel, y upon y node a square plus x upon x node b square 1 upon a square plus 1 upon b square. This is the equation of the normal. So तो find dy by dx. What is dy by dx? Root x यानी minus 1 upon 2 under root 3x minus 2 and 3x minus 2 implies 3. 3x minus 2 का डिफरेंशिएशन देखिए, ध्यान से देखिए, रूट x का डिफरेंशिएशन. What is dy dx? Root x. So dy dx x to the power 1 upon 2 implies 1 upon 2 x to the power 1 upon 2 minus 1, 1 upon 2 x to the power minus 1 upon 2, 1 upon 2 root x. Same we have applied here. What is root x? Minus 1 upon 2 root x. माइनस नहीं है ना. रूट एक्स एक्स टू द पावर 1 अपॉन 2, तो 1 अपॉन 2 एक्स टू द पावर 1 अपॉन 2 माइनस 1 अपॉन 2 नीचे, यानी रूट एक्स का 1 अपॉन 2 रूट एक्स एंड 3x का 3, बेस का 3x का 3, तो इज इक्वल टू 3/2 root 3x minus 2. This is the slope of tangent. And from the line, which line? 4x minus 2y plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2y is equal to 4x plus 5, y is equal to 2x plus 5 upon 2, comparing m is equal to 2. Putting equal, so 3 upon 2 under root 3x minus 2 is equal to 2. m cross multiply, यानी 6 root 3x minus 2 is equal to 3. So what we get? Root 3x minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 2 squaring 3x minus 2 is equal to 1 upon 4. So 3x is equal to 1 upon 4 plus 2, 4 to 8, imply 9 upon 4, or x is equal to 9 upon 4 into 3, 3 3 9, implies 3 upon 4. This is the value of x. Putting this value of x in curve, we will find out value of y. So y is equal to under root 3 into 3 upon 4 minus 2, यानी under root 9 upon 4 minus 2, 9 minus 8 upon 4, implies under root 1 upon 4, implies plus minus 1 upon 2. So points are either x is equal to 3 upon 4, y is equal to plus 1 upon 2, or x is equal to 3/4, y is equal to minus 1 upon 2. This is the complete solution. Sir, हाँ बोलो. देखिए क्वेश्चन नंबर 26. Slope of normal to the curve y is equal to 2x square plus 3 sin x. dy by dx. What is dy by dx? 4x plus 3 cos x. We have to find out slope of normal at x is equal to 0. So first we will find out slope of tangent at x is equal to 0. 4 into 0 plus 3 cos 0. Cos 0 1 implies 3. And slope of normal? Slope of normal is equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx, imply minus का 1 upon 3. So option D is correct. Next, question number 27. The line y is equal to x plus 1 is a tangent to the curve y square is equal to 4x at point. क्योंकि आपके इस बार एग्जाम में एमसीक्यू भी आएंगे, तो एमसीक्यू आपको ध्यान से करने हैं थोड़ा सा. Question number 27. What is 27? Given curve y square is equal to 4x. Differentiating 2y dy by dx is equal to 4. So dy by dx is equal to 4 upon 2y, implies 2 upon y. And given tangent y is equal to x plus 1, comparing with y is equal to mx plus c, m is equal to 1, slope is equal to 1, but both are the slope of the tangent. So putting first and second equal, so from first and second 2 upon y is equal to 1, or y is equal to 2. Putting the y is equal to 2 in first So 4 is equal to 4x or x is equal to 1. So what are the points? Points is equal to 1 and 2. Points are 1 and 2. This is the completion of exercise 6.3.